Hello everyone, welcome to Tag Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share streaming video on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your video. I'm opening my channel's video. If you want to stream your video, then you have to minimize this and open your Zoom app. Now click on New Meeting. Now you can see here Share option. You have to press on this. Here you can find your video which you want to stream. Press on it. Now press on Share. So this is how to share streaming video on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.